You're watching a service online. Your pastor quotes a verse. Do you pause to find it? Or just keep listening and let it go? One click on any tab. Your church's live stream, a podcast, or a Bible study on YouTube. CiteVerse listens and finds the scripture instantly. And because CiteVerse works as an app, no app store needed. You can log in anywhere and follow that same session live. On your phone, on your desktop, wherever you are. Or use it for your own time in the Word. Speak naturally, no hassles. And if you want a different Bible version mid-session, just switch. No need to stop and start over. Leading a group or sharing your screen? Minimal control, right from your tablet. And if you run media for your church, copy one link, drop it into OBS or vMix as a browser source. And scripture is live in your mix instantly. The countdown timer works the same way. Set your defaults once. Bible version, language, how aggressively it detects. And every mode uses them. Want more accurate detection? Pro and Max. Unlock our higher accuracy models. Every session becomes part of your own library, searchable, exportable, and shareable. Nothing you hear gets lost again. Not ready to subscribe? Top up credits anytime. Subscribing just stretches your dollar further. Start free. Unlock presenter mode with Pro. Go Max for everything. CiteVerse. The Bible at the speed of your voice.